Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app, on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, click on settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here, so you will find here profile options, just click on it. Then you come here to automatic numbered list, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean automatic numbered list disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.